Here is the earring after it's been fully put back together. I just want to show you that to move this, you move it like forward, and then the earring can come off and it can come back on. Then you just close it. It's back to normal. I am going to attempt to fix my earring right quick with needle nose pliers and crimping pliers. Okay. I'll grab the end with the needle nose. This is really a whole lot harder in a video. Then grab the earring loop with the crimpers and open. Okay. Now I can slip my earring back into the opened hole. Close it back up like it was before. Just give it a little squeeze here. Let's see. Grab both parts again. Make sure they're like lined up, equal. And push back close together as I can. Giving it a little tweak because it doesn't seem to be hanging like normal. Okay. And there we go. Earring fixed. Here is its mate.